Hi Shelley, this is Tim Ferris, and I'm at 714 South Birdsong. This is the street. It's in a little cul-de-sac. You're probably familiar with the area since you used to live here. Um, this is the house right here, and I'll go ahead and we'll walk through it, and then I'll be making some comments as we're walking through it. Walk around outside here, check out the side yard. The HVACs, there are two HVACs. Both of them look dated. One looks really dated. I imagine it would need to be replaced at some point. That would be something, just going into the deal, you would be aware of, that HVAC system and maybe the other one too are at the end of their service life or very close to it. This is the backyard, the back deck. And you got the golf course back here. It looks like they're doing some kind of construction. You've got these power lines right behind the house as well. So this is where they're doing what looks like construction. Is I imagine it's a big electrical easement, or maybe CPS or somebody. We'll go back around and head into the front door. So I see, I've walked through the house already myself, and my initial take on it is really that it's an older house, as you mentioned. It's 40 years old. It needs quite a bit of cosmetic renovation. I don't see any indications that there's any excessive settling with the foundation or anything like that, but there are just some small maintenance things that you see, like you see these little tiles that have kind of popped off here. It just looks like it hasn't been maintained really well. So when you come in the house, when you first walk in it, off to the right is the laundry room, off to the left are the 2 bedrooms, and then straight to our front are the living areas and then the kitchen. So let's hit the laundry room first. Again, so this looks like some kind of linoleum flooring. It is dated. Cabinets don't look too bad. This is a Formica countertop. You got a sink, you got a closet in here, and your breaker boxes in here as well. You have the access to the attic in this room. Another closet. Looks like they have the security system in there. This is the garage. You have some shelving in the garage. You have some cabinets in the garage. There is some cracking that you can see in the garage floor here. Some of it's normal just from concrete curing. And again, like I say, on the foundation side, I don't really see any indications that the home has any kind of excessive settling. Little workshop storage area back here. Looks like they've got the water softener back there, the water heater is back there as well. Head back into the house. go into this is the view of the entranceway here. Again, you know, the flooring is, again, cosmetic stuff. It's dated. The indoor air handler looks like it's in pretty good condition. Its manufacturer date's 2012, so it is a bit dated as well. Here are the bedrooms. So to my left is the second bedroom. This is the bathroom that supports it. To my right is the master bedroom. Come in here. You can also see that there's some fogging on the windows, and that could very well be because they're double pane windows, and the seals may have been compromised and allowing condensation and stuff to get in. So this is the second bedroom. This is the bedroom you were asking about in our messaging, that it wasn't, they didn't have any pictures uploaded on the MLS or on Zillow. This is the bathroom that supports it. Cabinets look like they're in okay condition. Again, this style is pretty dated. Now the style of the style of the faucets and the hardware is fairly dated as well. Linen closet here. Then you have your shower, toilet, and a jetted garden tub. Again, you know, the tile on the surround, the gold, that's really not in fashion anymore, that type of gold, and just needs some updating. Also in this room, it's wallpaper, as you can see, and there are some areas there where it looks like some moisture got on the wallpaper and caused it to like delaminate or come off the wall. Then you come in to the master. The whole wall on this side is a mirror. Got the fireplace, built-in cabinets and shelves. The thermostat is over here. The fireplace is a wood-burning fireplace. Got the door that accesses and has a view to the outside. This is the master bath. It has a shower, and it has dual vanity with double vanity with double sinks. Same style of finishes as the other bathroom. Got built-ins here. They look like they're in pretty good shape. Maybe they could be painted or refinished or something like that. This goes into the closet. So you have some storage area there. You have some shelving here. This is where all the clothes would be hanging. Pretty decent sized closet. Again, you know, these windows have frosted glass on the outside so that people can't see in, but you can see here, this is not the frosted glass. This is where the double pane has failed. The seal has failed on it, and condensation has gotten inside. The original windows. Got a closet in there, toilet. And we'll come back out here and go around and check out the living area. got built-ins, wood burning fireplace. The carpet is really dirty in a lot of places. Like it would definitely need to be replaced. A cleaning just wouldn't be enough to fix some of the stuff. I don't know. Looks like they had pets, maybe. Goes into the kitchen area. In the kitchen, as I looked at it, you know, again, the cabinets look like they're in fairly good shape. The cabinet hardware is dated, in my opinion. And then the countertops. But I think the cabinets are in the house in general are in good shape. And if you wanted to update them, you could easily just like have them painted or something like that. Got a little ice maker there, garbage compactor, double bowl sink, dishwasher, the refrigerator, microwave, oven. A lot of times the refrigerator and the washer and dryer do not convey. I'm not sure if that's the case with this home. I would have to actually double check it in the listing and see if they convey. Normally they're considered personal property, not real property. To get this would be the pantry. Some other areas with wallpaper on, and then this goes out to the backyard where we've already been. Kind of walked around out here. I've got some folks out there playing golf. Nice trees. Anyway, my opinion of the place is it looks like it has very good bones. Structurally, it looks like it's pretty sound. Cosmetically, it looks like it's a 40-plus-year-old home, and it looks like pretty much all of the finishes are original finishes from 40 years ago. And so, you know, most people I think would want to update it cosmetically. And that's about it. I'm going to send you the video, a link to the video in YouTube, and let me know what you think. And if you're interested, I'm happy to help you out. And if you're not interested in this home, I'm happy to help you find one that you are interested in. Thanks, and I look forward to talking to you after you check this video out. Have a great day. Bye.